All parties Hurriyat conference has deplored that India has made the Kashmiris hostage and deprived them of all the basic rights and freedom for the past over 7 decades. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders in their separate statements issued in Srinagar said that India was resorting to every kind of the brutal tactic in the occupied territory to suppress the Kashmiris. An Indian army man was injured in a firing incident in the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian army man suffered injury in his left foot as his rifle went off accidentally in the Krishna Ghati area of the district, the official said. Democratic Freedom Party has strongly condemned the Indian authorities' decision to ban the Muslim Conference Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah, through a tweet on Wednesday, declared the Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference led by Professor Abdul Ghani Butt and Jammu Kashmir Muslim Conference led by Ghulam Nabi as unlawful. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has strongly condemned the ban imposed by the BJP-led Indian government on the Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Home Ministry yesterday issued a notification declaring the Muslim Conference Jammu and Kashmir led by Professor Abdul Ghani Butt and its another faction by the Ghulam Nabi as banned under the Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for a period of 5 years. New Delhi installed administration in the occupied Kashmir has attached the properties of 4 more people in the Ganderbal district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the properties that were attached include the agriculture lands in the names of Bashir Ahmed Butt, Mirajuddin Shah, Fayaz Ahmed Shah and Saifuddin Shah. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah have urged the people to work together to secure their unique identity, which was illegally snatched by the BJP-led government on the 5th of August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah, interacting with the party workers during a function in Srinagar, said, "Despite facing enormous challenges, we have to intensify their public outreach program." Months after the High Court quashed his detention under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act, Kashmiri journalist Asif Sultan has finally been released after spending over 5 years in the jail. According to Kashmir Media Service, Asif Sultan was imprisoned in the Ambedkar Nagar district jail in the Uttar Pradesh.